Ebusa for me mama Josai Demoba Adom TV so emra no num abo apem pepepe. Aha, the big agenda on Adom TV. Meeting at smart COVID-19 yare no oda sense wiase komu onkoye. Nipa dodo a wo wiase mu a enya yare no bi sese ya me no kase. Eye 4,853,436. Nipa 318,218. And ewu efrimu and afi 1,882,149 wanum ena wonsonso atiapo ye memu ha Ghana sesi ye me no kase de wo ba ye number no akosoro efise enipa mako eduokono enson aba ka ho sesi ye number no ko 5,735 okra ba konso efrimu enti won a efrimu no ko eduonu enkono won wa atiapo no nso foforo asa beka ho and the kwasoro papa enipa 294 and abeka ho sese ama won we Ghana ha ate apono akodu 1,754 nanso asembi wo ha ha adwen eba ne sen ena mbabunu ene nkwada yade no atesi wo no so titru wo meme ya hodo a yade bidum ko ya ye fo isolation centers no dem pa na this problem yi eba ye ma me twa me ho wabra ro no moto se so masene se me ba yene obi a wanya bi nyame adom wanwu na wakwaba bebo nkomo na ya kire won nsem. I'll be right back. Mesamo akwaba biom ebusia emra yare yi ba wiase boyin na yedim se ka yen ye hade embeto yen dem so ne nemu an yesi o obi di firi ba bi di aba asagro ye twem empem num eni akire na me obi wa homan so a yare ba ye wanya bi adom nti ne ho atimi atoro me nua otimi kan me moadwo
bacho me juso
na bibia ye boko de
na me adom pa bibia boko
good if you so ye boko
bacho fie boko
good and how say maybe some fear wadi wudin de me hia and how say bia me pese obo won fie ma me a ebe hawa na
bacho dey be me 34 years
who 34 years
bacho
bosume ben mu na wunya yare yi bi aye anaye ka kire wo se wanya bi bosume ben a
April 27th na yebo amane se manya bi
April 27th. Okay.
bacho
wo ye den ye bo amane ye den ye be fa wo sample bobin komo
me ko abonten kaka na meba mfa me ko asonda nko ya DNT meba na me beto se omo ye test ni bi wo mi fi area ho.
Okay.
And papa no me co-tenant ba component frame me catch me so mo ye sa testing team me permit me be and omo to sa frame me me ni hu bia they are just doing random test and maybe be
eti emra be fa wo sample no koy no eche wa answer na me question with no wa na wo free wo pem ko say yem fa wo sample
omo me tenant no e catch me na me so okay timi pie na bonten na immigration officer ba kon immigration officer na ba me chenka so me to me about be ye but enye they are just doing a random test by for my own good and me kokoye.
Okay ntinya obi a na share wa na kokoye ye
mbacho me kokoye
ansa na wo koye no na ebia wo ti wo kon wo nan wo basa wo mfen wo mu wo bowa na wo yare bi wo symptom bi che de wo kan bi
mbacho de bi na me symptom then tell me make a immigration officer say me I don't see any symptom say me will be and me pien kwa bonten so me obi an konya contact bia sa ebia obi o tu kwanya ba recently nya contact bia nti I don't think him will know so just do it to confirm it nti na me within myself the name say maybe
ye be fa sample no di be na science and results na ba
but on the file sample no on the 17th April and our results no about 27th nti me fan say 10 days.
Okay, 10 days in the results na buy ye chi no what unhu symptoms ni bi say bia wo mfen wo bo wa na sa bi sa
but o dey be my symptoms bia.
Okay,
e dey me call ho me call na me call you ho e ba back in manya symptoms bia.
Okay, nti nya wa na wotena fie ya nhwe wo fie ye do ko isolation center.
Me ma omo that option say me fie me o 3 rooms so honti me to me isolate me home. But doctor no to me for the sake of mo fan say me mo fa de na abofra na hu say ni papa wo fie de den ya obepese obeben no nti se me twa me ho fie na me ni fie de a e be boa mankwa no so ifif. Nti me tena se o sa kwan no so na me ameko hospital no modem ko Pentecost Convention Center.
So omdo ko kaswa ho no PCC ho no.
Mbachawani.
Okay. Ukoduru ho no na ye wo den ye so ano pa ye betwetwe ho ye be bo pane ye be dware ho ye wo den.
E wa to David ukoduru office dey na omo take particular sia na yama wo nyama basic nyama wo be hia na yama wo enduro.
Okay.
And doing the things na almost yin na wo my similar medicine na wo ko o so ano pa na doctors na ba be clinic amayen enti on be check temperature near bisa obi ubabi ya wo yare be na wo ni pege mu dada nke wo ka sa yare no ni bia sa yare no unya duro ho na so mo adu bi on betimi dia mawa just to prevent any occurrence na dia amount. But so bibi te say asthma ana hypertension ana obo yare underline yare bi a mo gen say e betimi ni COVID-19 enya chusan so boni bi dia na omwa atu fu say ombese so bi you free convention center where you call Gan East since a Honya hospital because we to hire omu nya nya mo betimi da show and nipa be mi ni nsan bi de ni hu say omo pa omo chawa yi omo free ye hodo mo ko Gan East wa mo say hospital meeting ashomo. But aside that, sorry, the DVA and devotion, the DVA, na ya call clinic, na ya sampa, but no.
Anya bia no ye de nduro said o kase ye mam waduro no ye mam nduro bebre bia na say ye den a duro ben a me pese obebo din se wonim din ni kura memmo den eduro ba ko bi na
ya mujadura ne sa normal vitamin C ya ne sa do ba could depend different one being account me no me sa para mo de ma me just those mujadura ne vitamin C ne sa do ba could be na account aside that the manje do be a view no aside do ba ko na account so obi a taking the first 3 days but omo ka che say yeko na omo ka che say yare na ye nya no enye aduro bi ado na omo de ma ye no ensa yare no nemu the immune system but the omo no be here free and chain say ye be home ye be num su bebre e ma ye njene hu bebre ma ye njene say in business ye busia ma ye njene sanyama no na ye relax your mind said ye be ya ye ni pa de ni bi nya ho de na no a fight yare no e na omo san so mpo ma ye tia say omo ye sure pa say ya ye wo ho no bebre cry ye negative on arrival because the distance are time on be your mofa yen sample no anytime a results no by ya it is even possible so be nya bi na MBTI mo wetimi asan aye negative so nipa no didi ye hwe na brabo su ya and it is possible say I want to be a negative on arrival but on be testing you first one will be negative I will be saying another one test and ka ho ansana o mama kwan mo fi hako ti say that ya duro no mo de ma ye no nyemu say wa obehwe wo hu yi wadidi ye wa home na won dwene bebre na ye dem pai wo so aka ho.
Okay, answer na me konkola ni de mo no bisa just this question after you moving on. Answer na ye be fa sample na won te ya obi o wudi woni symptom bia enu achi no ye be fa wo de ko ye be kan se wonya bi wo ko ho be na wotwe mienu ana miensa kodi ye ni na no when show symptom bia wo ba bia anya wo ya wo ye normal to set time na wo ko ye fa sample na ko si se wo ba fi
Mbacho ai. Nse tia me ko ye no. Kana be tia me ba ye nti no ye wo ho no. Ene na ya adi a e ma amanfo e kasa bebre se onyare o adwuma bi o ye adwuma na e ambulance ba ye be fa no. Wo ton ade na e ambulance ba ye be fa no. Bi mo ho ye be fa o mu free o mo adwuma mo bu fie ene do mo ko ye nti o mo no ye wo ho na e kinje cho e kinje ya na e ko so kese no ye se nipa no mi show signs bia minti yare bia wo mi nipa diem nso wo se me yare ibedu ye nso still I mean show sign me more wa mi timpa me yare still I wo se me yare Intendema among for especially young ones, youth, now getting you who say they are not sick, they've just been forced there among Arabian among for the mother. TAP look and master, say they have just wasted their time.
Okay. Now, I am passing Meburu no more doors on Hopa.
Oh yeah, youth media me high and Yaka say we were more than half, say me for youth population say from 10 from 8 years, the 30 crowd there, we were more than half of the number because yet those thinking for people, and also SS for JSS, SS for young, some no more those early 20s. Or more interact or more we share degree no early 20s. Me call and me preach your hand of a BNT. And I remember more or less like a council and a prayer force be more 24 no obi baby I'll be son now what you saying you're 22, 25, 26, West 28, 20 teens should be no 17, 19 and a year 10, 8, 7 from Kakrebi so far. And you to me the night your doors. Now yeah leaders no no. Now one of them come you why are the youth numbers rising? But yeah, but you know, you find the uncommon. And my young say, you to know they are not taking a lot of things serious.
Okay. More number do be say, said I more than half, no. Number do be say, and I
Yeah, block Hong Kong, now you're getting to 200.
And see, if I say, some way 200, the crown, I say half 100.
Yeah. Now, oh, you share devotion, and I say, you share one here. We use a more fun dose or more teeny 20s media, no more dose of no more dose.
Brappen, you remember that say, be a safe my Santon Safrail.
But
the outing in Kenya be a when ya COVID-19 ebi, not a seminal, a bon como. A man for me, so I dream you was say, a banner say, you better best to put brown. They see the party apo. I say, na, the pay me, yare, you see you through. No, so this one you know what they are. And also, yea, and no area here. And also, be the jar. A woman says, I no cassia, any pa 1,754 at Yapoi. Sabri Ameno Kasei, the leader, Emma, the National Risk Communication and Social Mobilization on COVID-19, Dr. Wajida Costa Wahomana. So, Doc, what's been come adway?
Yeah, and yeah, Captain, I want to say.
Oh, boy, the other room, your doctor also.
Oh, Yamiadum, Mechia Ghana for you now.
Ghana for Nigeria. So, and you be a what to say, for say, I feel the year 1 say, put to prove one COVID-19, yes, will be no Tiana water upon a band temtem, so numbers and so yakase. Meaning, so what is Uncle Monibia?
I Captain Matti, say, education and I say, a question near the monk of and conform to your system, not the papa. And see, so often India. May take the opportunity na my educate or more months and a kakra. Captain, Yariano, you say, Yang Ghana has say, the unya quality answer na Yabeka say, oh, yeah, recovered, no. Just what can say true negatives after 14 days. Then we do 14 days, so at least within 48 hours, no, the test still first negative now. Within 48 hours, no, everything a second test, no. Now, why we are friend saying, so it's about negative and you declare or so you recovered. Captain, what's your no say?
Pacho Matia sepa.
And your policy a day, Juma, or my mono, no. Now, so I say, now you can say your backlog. The beer na yakase or backlog so say nyamiadom yetimi clear backlog no your capacity so our lab no so ya expanding no into a day no me sure say yetimi test around 5,000 bibisa I have to check but bibisa enti say ya expanding your testing system let's say a backlog ya clear there. Actually, say your capacity say, already 14 days and now more isolation center. Now more home treatment. Any others na eka ho no almost tested first positive no you bet me scale up the process enti sa adwuma no na yasem kena na yeye enti na ohun se numbers no ekosro no na ebokoso akosro because yeye gusu ayeye pa education kakra ewom no eno no
okay tina che se metwase ye a na se nkofo bebre be koso atiapo
of course ebi mu okra menua omu show symptoms o hwe ye yare na omu enya ebi mu de mild to no symptoms enti ebi mu de to say ena bear in mind say yare no ankasa no eni edro but the symptoms na obinya no eno ne be den ye be manage okay enti for example say unya cold ana say unya fever ye betimi ama cold edro ye betimi ama fever edro say a severe one to say pneumonia ye be ma antibiotics eno ebe way but more importantly no you need vitamins also to boost your immune system. What I said, because one bet now more can show say now immunity no low. And the engine Opekai president Eka say Obe encourage Ghana for say Obia Mungi Ghana for ye Jane Kontumre Yasantua Dawa and because they contain vitamins. And you see that was the science behind what the president said. Because at the end of the day, your person good immune system via nebitinya den aboa enti so di say nnuane no anyway ebe boa o enti no enti na ma you can say president eka say mum encourage yankasa ye honi ni yankasa ye giane fruits any like greens no mum aye ndibi enti sa na tie
okay menya nte say enipa be close to 600 700 or so are testing negative first one bibisa it is
no in fact after answer na yen on say day every day no da bia koye adwuma sa na yesia na after ya keka me o manyina abom ti after answer na ye be fia nwumre we say 6 o'clock in this information dey mini but certainly no nkofo be first negative ne dey o test first negative na eno ye de to ho ni atwen 48 hours ni asa ye obiem ya ye o test ni bia o test negative bia mu a answer na ye betinya so you could be right but menyanya briefings na fe answer na ye ba be sia na ya dwendwen ho ni ahwe update said ye ko enti se menya sa information na me de be ma but anya me nwanwa
okay enti wo wanka menim se mo briefing mu na timi appear the number of first maybe say bia wo briefing mo apart from enyumre dia afi na mo be kono ebia over the weekend no munya briefing chere enipa dodo a test negative first one no menim say bia munya
well yeah no you see until the process is complete no you declare
okay
process here because a process in a year the year firm and see answer na be declare recovered na no na ehia SCA say why they what tested two negatives and two hwa de de ba nyina outcome enti en na me enti en ye briefings na en ye be hu omo tested one negative omo train say 48 hours ne be so na omo be kwa test the second negative no enti en na me ka say no de je say o train kakra because enya sa na ye adwuma no ye adwuma na ye say ya complete enye na ya de ama
but enye one so say sa number no be ho sa figure no be ho
yeah enye me one because you were testing ni nyina ye testing capacity no na ebi mu wo ho a ade unya di 14 days na virus no etimi eko enti say ye test wa na ye be hu enti say ya testing go for be 600 a omanya we a enye me one omanya first negative a enye me one but we have to still do the second test no to make sure say the results like they ban accurate and is consistent with our formula our method that you use and to say about test one negative incomplete process until say the second test no near complete okay. So it will be unfair say a day incomplete data ever babontin.
Doc, it's we share a system this is here. Would you say you drew your peak, you're flattening?
But also, sorry, man.
Bet me a catch and say you drew your peak because you are by you drew peak. Now what started flattening? Kevin on the we share you drew your peak.
You drew your day.
Peak. Yes,
Captain. You see, so the yare no home. To say the me kai say obi na bebusa nya na me ne ye juma Dr. Bedisa akodie question and o ka say yenya at the highest spike we friend say I think say on the 27th April. But you see, Captain, this is a pandemic. So obi ka say yenya we me sure say my train na as time goes on no because you see science and we say as time goes on then the highest spike and I say if you use plus or minus 5 a highest spike no wa emre kono ever be dead in Captain would ye my train na yenhwe de be ko emre kakra enche bia ubehu.
Dr. Abuaje da Costa Imre Medase.
Captain, Medase.
Dr. Abuaje da Costa, the leader of the National Risk Communication and Social Mobilization on COVID-19. And I'll tell you, Ebonko, Debusia, Yareno and Koye. Emra Yekwa, Runomotos Neso Yasni, but more than a Shannon so, said Debbie Adano, Obeshe Umask. Medase. Bye bye.